Hi, it's Kevin from AchooAllergy.com, and today we're going to take a look at the Oskar by Stadler form. Oskar is an evaporative humidifier. He comes in two colors and two sizes. Right here we have the original Oskar. He's the smaller of the two. Now, being an evaporative humidifier, you won't see mist come out of it like you do with the ultrasonic models. And it does take a little bit longer to raise the humidity level in your home. But Oskar has some features that people really like. Oskar's quiet. Take a listen. It's on its highest setting. It's still virtually silent. The second thing that people really like about this model, you don't have a tank that you need to take to the sink. You just need a pitcher of water. So this is what makes Oskar tick. Inside you have two evaporative cassettes or wicks, and what happens is they draw the moisture up, and the fan pulls moisture into the air and then disperses it throughout your room. As an additional benefit of an evaporative humidifier, you can use any type of water. There's no need for a demineralization cartridge. You can use hard water, soft water, tap water, it does not matter. The controls of Oskar are very basic. You have your on-off switch. You have two speeds. Simple push of the button changes the speed. And here you have the hygrostat. This is where it takes a little bit of calculation. The one blue light is 40% relative humidity. Hit it for 2 and you're at 45, 3, 50, 4, 55, and 5, continuous operation. And for nighttime use, you can either dim the lights or turn them off. The original Oskar holds about a gallon of water. Now the Oskar Big holds about twice that. The unit is roughly twice the size of this one and takes 4 evaporative cartridges. And even with expensive winter heating bills, the Oskar pulls about 18 watts, which is far less than just a standard light bulb. Thank you for checking it out, and thank you for visiting AchooAllergy.com.